Generally speaking, open-backed headphones like the audiophile-on-a-budget HD 650s offer listeners a more spacious, detailed and accurate sound than those with a closed-back design. While some makers combine the two, Sennheiser has attempted to produce that sought-after open sound from decidedly closed-back headphones. A major drawback of open-backed headphones is that they can only really be used in a quiet room, since the design leaks sound out and lets background noise in. Closed-back designs cut down on sound leakage but at the expense of audio quality and transparency. Sennheiser says it's found an answer. Sennheiser also describes the sound as vivid, wide and natural, all hallmarks of open-backed headphones. The HD 820 over-ear dynamic stereo headphones sport curved Gorilla Glass covers designed to minimize resonance by bouncing sound waves back towards absorbing chambers, meaning that the sound waves are effectively gone like they would be in open headphones. And they also reveal the company's ring radiator transducers to onlookers, which is pretty cool.